Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Equilibrium problems can look scary, but we will solve this chemistry challenge together in just a few seconds. Let us find the correct concentration relationship right now. First, we mix equal volumes of our reactants, which immediately cuts their initial concentrations in half. Both iron and thiocyanate start at 0.05 molar before the reaction begins. Next, we look at the equilibrium constant, which is 240. Since this value is quite large, the reaction favors the products, meaning most reactants convert into the complex. Finally, because the equilibrium constant is much greater than 1, the concentration of the product must be higher than the remaining reactants. This logic makes option B our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by watching signs.